Welcome to a quick Revit productivity hack. In this model, we have 12 warnings related to floors that have off-axis sketch lines. This type of warnings take a lot of time to resolve, especially if you have tens of them into your model. These off-axis warnings often occur when we link a DWG file into our Revit project. If the DWG contains lines that are slightly rotated or off-axis, then we model our floors on top of these lines using the pick line tool from Revit. This technique may seem convenient, but it's not ideal because it can lead to these off-axis issues and unwanted warnings in the model. To resolve this, I have created this simple Dynamo script to resolve tens of warnings in one click. You can save hours and hours of warnings resolving thanks to this script. The script is divided into 4 groups, selecting the warning type, then selecting elements by ID, then rotating sketch lines that have warnings, and finally executing the rotation correction. Let's click on Run and see what happens. You see in the background, Dynamo has corrected all these lines with one click. Isn't this awesome? Once we run the script, Revit takes care of the rest, automatically fixing the alignment and removing the warnings. And just like that, the warnings are gone. You can quickly fix alignment issues and save time. No more manual adjustments or cluttered warnings. Give it a try and boost your productivity in Revit.